Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to install Python on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, go to google.com and the search bar, search for download Python. Then click download Python and click download Python. Perfect. Then wait until finish downloading Python. After finish, open it and click customize installation. Then click next and then click here to enable this checkbox and also this and this. Then click install. Then click yes and wait until installing Python on Windows. Perfect. Now Python has been installed successfully on Windows 11. Now close this and now we need to check the version of Python. So go here and search for CMD. Then click command prompt and write Python and two dash then version. Perfect. Now this is our version of the Python. Now go back to search and search for Python. And now here you can write your prompt. For example, print hello. Perfect. Now that's it. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next video.